C should be the first partition. Click Resize. Drag the bar as far as it will go. Click OK. This is your first partition. Click on Unallocated. Click Create Partition. Change to Primary. Drag the bar all the way. Click OK. This is your second partition. Click on Unallocated. Click Create Partition. Change to Primary. Drag the bar all the way. Click OK. This is your third partition. Click on Unallocated. Click Create Partition. Label the fourth partition Storage. Create 500 to 900 meg code partition by slightly dragging the bar to the left. Unallocated space for the code partition. This is your storage partition, and this is your unallocated code partition. Click Create Partition. Change to FAT32. Label the fifth partition code. Click OK. Now that unallocated space is your code partition. This is the original partition C that contains a large amount of data. We have resized the partition to the minimum. This partition will later be the Restore partition. This will be the Repair partition. We have resized it to a minimum in order to make room for the storage partition to be large enough to host all the data in the first partition. We will resize this partition later on after moving data from the first partition to the storage. This will be the operating partition. We have resized it to a minimum in order to make room for the storage partition to be large enough to host all the data from the first partition. We will resize this partition later on after moving data from the first partition to storage. Click on Start, then click on My Computer. This window will appear with details of the partitions that are accessible to Windows. An important step is to move your personal files to the storage partition. This is a simple procedure that keeps your files safe in the event of system crashes. First, you need to know the drive letter of your storage drive. In this case, the storage drive letter is G. Close this window. Click on Computer, right-click on Documents, then click on Properties. In Target Folder Location window, change the letter from the default C to G. Click Apply. Click Yes. Click Yes again. Click Yes to all. My Documents is moved to Storage Drive. Click OK. My Documents folder and all files and folders in it are now located at the Storage Drive G. Refer to Knowledge Base if you wish to move other folders to Storage Drive G. Click on First Partition. Click Resize. Drag the bar all the way. Click OK. This is your first partition. This is unallocated space. Click on the third partition. Click Resize. Drag the bar all the way. Then drag to create the repair partition. Refer to knowledge base for partition size configurations. This is your second partition. This is the remaining unallocated space. Click on the fourth partition and click Resize. Drag the bar all the way. Then drag to create the operating partition. Again, refer to knowledge base for partition size configurations. This is the remaining unallocated space. Click on Storage Partition. Click Resize. Drag the bar all the way. This is a storage partition. Restore partition. Repair partition. Operating partition. Storage partition. Code partition. After moving the desired folders to storage, put ACR CD in the CD-ROM, then wait for ACR screen to load. Press S to obtain setup code, then start setup. Setup process takes a few minutes, after which your PC will shut down. Your PC is now Invisatek guarded.